Ludvig Aberg is a Swedish professional golfer. He was born on October 31, 1999 in Eslöv, Sweden. He was born to parents Mia and Johan. He has an elder sister named Linnea. He was introduced to golf at 8 years of age at the local club, Eslöv Golf Club, by his father, who was a keen golfer. He initially was not fond of the game, but his father encouraged him by offering him ice cream if he stayed an extra hour at the off course. Aberg also played football until focusing on golf at the age of 13. When he was 15, Aberg earned a place at Filbjörnsskolan, a sports-specialized boarding school in Helsingborg. He won the Ben Hogan Award as the best collegiate player in the United States in both 2022 and 2023 and finished on top of the 2022-23 PGA Tour University rankings to earn membership on the tour. Within 5 months of turning professional, Aberg achieved his first tournament victories on both the DP World Tour and the PGA Tour and was a member of the winning European team in the 2023 Ryder Cup. Aberg made his debut as a professional in June 2023 at the RBC Canadian Open on the PGA Tour, where he made the cut and finished in a tie for 25th place. In July at the John Deere Classic, he recorded his first top 10 on the tour. A final round 63 put him in a tie for 4th place, 3 strokes behind winner Sepp Straka. Following his victory at the European Masters on 4 September 2023, Aberg was announced by European captain Luke Donald as one of his 6 captain's picks for Team Europe at the 2023 Ryder Cup. He became the first player to be selected for a Ryder Cup without having played in a major championship and the second after Sergio Garcia to make a Ryder Cup team during the same year as turning professional. The week after the Ryder Cup, Aberg returned to the PGA Tour and finished as joint runner-up in the Sanderson Farms Championship, losing to Luke List in a 5-man playoff. In November, Aberg won his first tournament on the PGA Tour, the RSM Classic. He shot back-to-back rounds of 61 on the weekend to finish at 29 under par, 4 strokes ahead of Mackenzie Hughes. His 72-hole score of 253 tied the PGA Tour scoring record held by Justin Thomas. The victory moved Aberg into the top 50 of the official world golf ranking and secured him an invitation to the 2024 Masters tournament, which would be his first major championship appearance. In 2016, Aberg was awarded the Annika Sorenstam Trophy after winning the Swedish Teen Tour Order of Merit. He was individual leader at the 2017 European Boys Team Championship and won the 2017 Fairhaven Trophy. He finished third individually at the 2018 Toyota Junior Golf World Cup. In February 2021, Aberg won the Jones Cup Invitational.